sour candy. What's up? I'm going to show you how to play Sour Candy on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So for this song, you'll be in standard tuning and you won't need a capo. So sour candy. D minor, open, 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 2, 3, 1, C, open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. You'll mute that top string. G, 3, 2, open, 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 3. A minor, open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. Mute that top string again. And those are the 4 chords. Strumming pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And that's it. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.